Hey YouTubers, welcome, welcome. I'm doing a quick product review on the NEEWER 700 Professional 24x24 Softbox with e27 socket light lighting kit. Say that 5 times. I bought it off Amazon. Hi, this is the amazing hand, by the way. And we bought 2 of these kits. Now, I work as an in-house video producer for a company, and we were trying to save a few bucks by trying out this system. Now, we only had about 5 uses out of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, before the kit started showing its true colors. So here's the deal. It comes with 2 soft boxes, 2 stands, 2 of these big lights, and 2 frost elements. And one of the first issues is, take a look at this. I got sockets that jingle, jingle, jingle. Look at that. So that's completely unusable now. And as you can see, there's no breakage in there. It just popped out. Second issue is those big old bulbs have to fit inside here, like inside these big umbrellas. And so if you look deep down in there, there's the ceramic seat where the bulb goes. Now, it's missing that thing right there. You see that? Look how janky that is. Very small, and that's the only thing keeping this bulb inside that ceramic seat, which is hard to believe because the bulb pushes the umbrella out. So how many uses are you going to get out of that before that little seat pops out? Now, to NEEWER's credit, they're listening to this video and they see this video, so hopefully they'll make good on their warranty. But so those are 2 issues right now that we had with this brand new kit. The third issue, check this out. I was on a green screen set, and this guy right here started sizzling. That's right, it started sizzling inside there, and it's a little like Frankenstein. But and then it stopped working completely. So the switch completely stopped working. So you know, NEEWER, I really appreciate that you're making products affordable, but there's some definitely some things that you need to look at to include that little aluminum seat where the bulb goes. Definitely needs to be stronger. These bulbs definitely need to be stronger, and these switches. You can't find these switches at you know at Walmart. Maybe get them at B&H or something. So yeah, sadly we can't use this kit. But anyway, if you're a YouTuber, it might work for your needs, because then you just keep everything set up right at your house, and you don't have to move it around a lot. But if you do move around locations, you do have to set up and break down this equipment, and that's going to put a lot of wear and tear on it. So just a quick heads up. This might be a great starter kit for at home and low budget, but medium and heavy duty work, this kit is going to get put through the ringer and likely may not survive. So NEEWER, thank you for listening to this. I hope that you take these product issues into account with future builds, and I'll let everybody know what happens with NEEWER and if they make good on their warranty. Thanks very much, everyone at YouTube. I am the amazing hand. Hand of the King. Take care. Bye-bye.